going, I was like, hold on. Never put the oil. Meaning I don't hot water. By the time I reach back to the fire, everything I boil up. And I was like, what?
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want to. It's no concern to me. Because I have my own vision, me dip on my own mission to rule my destiny.
Alright peeps, so I just got to Holywell. I'm at Holywell right now. The what do you call it? Thankfully I got a drive. I got a drive from Papine straight to Holywell Gate. I was basically thinking to hitch a ride from Papine up to Delaware. So it's a place called Settlement, and then I would probably walk through Newcastle and then come up to Holywell. But God was so good. I got a what was that? But anyway, I got a straight drive from Papine Square straight to Holywell Gate. So here you can see that I have my camping bag all packed up, ready to spend the night. So separate and apart from that, I'm gonna spend the night in the cold. It's really warmer in here than outside. It is dark and it's like 6:30 now. Fog thick. I don't know if I rain that right now. It's not raining. And that tree up here. This kind of looks scary. This is not rain. I just off of the tree. See if I can collect my tent. Collect my tent now. I'm just gonna set it up at the campsite and wait until the morning. Excited, guys.
Yeah, find a wall.
Oh man, find it. That's the one thing me not really have a problem with.
I'm gonna try to miss again and talk about me missing the You see when I tell you we're hustling and bustling? This is it.
It's alright still.
My first time I can book out with woman in a boy.
Yo.
You know?
This is the last time I have to try and print up so by top one. Remember? And during the umbrella blow, we lift up the thing. And a wall, we literally have stand up on a wall and I try peg green mesh. Like green mesh on our
Yeah,
up here.
man.
The man them, when me and them say them a sleep now, me say too much man. So me a sleep with you man. And me line at me and man say, hold this up. And me get up and me pull it zip and when me look out the door, me see man them with the tent and levitate and a jar. Me say, oh, me go back in and lock. There's something over there, brother.
But the rain done or rain? Rain not done. It's unpredictable, for true. Just pitch a tent. So right now I'm gonna basically go back to the tent and see if I can unpack my stuff unpack food, clothes, all of that, and then probably, well, in my mind, I was gonna come here because I know there are showers here. I'm gonna have a shower, but judging this weather, yo, I don't want to touch me don't want to touch that shower thing there at all. From up here, you can see that is Kingston. Very, very bright to my knowledge. I don't know if you can see, but that's the bright building that changed color downtown. Can't focus, but everybody know that building there. That's cool. Can't see it from all the way up here. So I can't say I did my first night hike or solar night hike. I can't say I did my first solar night hike to Holywell, because it wasn't really a hike to Holywell. It was just like a straight drive. So I guess it still counts. Alright, so let's do an unpacking. So I'm gonna get them all mixed up. I'm gonna put this sweater on tonight because I know the cold just not ready for me yet. But more I'll be ready when it's ready. Cool. I think a 5 resistant is the ultimate thing for one person. No, I'll tell me lie. We need that. And this is a lantern I could have hung up in the ceiling. Oh, there's a bug in there. The bugs! Let me put this. It's gonna cover away. I can cover with this. Okay, so this is my bed. I'm gonna have my head there because the tent is kind of slant that way, so it's kind of best if well, it makes sense. You can put my head up there, so yeah, this is my humble abode, bro. Woo! Alright, so the breeze blew out the door like crazy, super crazy. I don't know if I can set the tent and move up on them. Still not raining yet. I want it actually start drizzling. Yeah, oh. The rain fly is soaking wet, and I know it's not rain, so it has to be night dew. Night dew, you can actually feel it. So remember I tell you guys that this bathing thing in the wind and breeze and thing is probably not happen. I just don't bathe. Through my years of hiking, many years of hiking, 2 years, I get to learn that it's when you're like warm and exterior is cold, you get to be more, you feel cold much longer. But when you go bathe now with the cold water, your body just regulate and you just actually don't feel cold anymore. You gotta feel chilly still, obviously, but you just don't feel cold like and it's actually well clear. I think it would have been more foggy and, you know, kind of dark, but it's not. It's very clear, and I love that. I'm gonna play a book off my phone and listen to, turn the lights, and just relax. It's like what time is it? But when I watch time, hold on. It's 9:55. That's the time right now. Cool breeze kind of coming now because I still have the zip door open. I'm so close that I turn off the light. Then call it a night, because you call it a night whenever you turn off the light. I was just going through my Instagram and I saw a post by this girl that I follow. She was a TV personality on TVJ or something like that. I can't remember her Instagram right now, but I'll definitely post. I'll talk about it. She made a post about starting her own business and how inspirational it was, and how basically all the signs she was seeing were saying like, don't do this, don't do that, but she still, like, you know, persevered and, you know, did her own thing. And how she worded it was so inspirational to me. I'm gonna read it for you tomorrow morning when I wake up. I'm gonna call it a night. So here what? We have a full day ahead of us tomorrow. Sometimes I feel like there's so much bugs in here. I don't think there's a lot though. But I'm just like I hear them bugs all over the place. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a night. Just gonna go to bed. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. High school. It's 6:05. Alright. Obviously it's still extremely windy. Take a peek outside. And it was still extremely foggy. Well, the fog came in most this morning or so. So it's extremely foggy. Last night I could have seen Kingston and everything. No, it's just extreme fog. Probably still blew off and things still. So yeah, it's morning. I woke up about 500 times. I woke up about 500,000 times. I don't know why. Because I'm not a stranger to camping. Not a stranger to camping though. So I don't know I wake up so many times. I don't know if it's because of the cold, because I have a wind fly, but the breeze still ventilate in. So it was extremely cold. So probably I woke up so much time. I'm not sure. Probably that's why. And So because it's very windy, the tent keep on shaking. Tush, 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 tush. Tush, 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 tush. So I think the sound of that also wake me up. When I wake up and it's like still dark and I want to know the time, I'll just be like, oof. Choo. But I had no watch. Could have better touch the phone because I probably didn't know where it was. Differently from that and the cold, and I woke up some time. Nothing else really happened. Nothing else really took place other from that. Bed still comfortable. Still warm, some part like cold still. My sweater worked well. Kept me warm, yeah? Kept me warm, bro. I think I did fall asleep with the light on at all. I think I did lock it off and went to bed in the dark. Did I? Yes I did. I'm gonna have to need a fire this morning because I'm making oatmeal porridge. And I'm frying eggs. And I'm making tea. So regardless, I'm gonna need a fire to whip all of this up. And if I have bare wet wood, that's not gonna be possible, bro. That's gonna be hard. I'll just show you outside how outside look right now. Yup. Okay. So normally, let me show you this. Normally, the whole of that view would be Kingston, but as you can see, the fog is real. The fog is extremely real though, so we can't see nothing at all. So as I was saying, the fog came in back this morning. So basically, every wood I could be like damp, soak, or wet, but it's a mission. Seem impossible now, but let's turn possible, or let's turn impossible into possible. We can do it. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Just to brush my teeth and everything clean. See if we can start a fire right at the fire pit right there. Everything wet. Everything wet. I have this gazebo here. Can shelter me even if it started to rain like crazy. Can come under here instead of being in a tent, because that would have probably, you know. Got my pots. food. Just cutting up all the lovely ingredients. And the fire's heating up. What's that? Hot youths. Food time. Food done, prepare. So me that chef it up just to show them. That work good. But one of the things. I want a lot of things, yo. Oh, pepper. Pepper. Funny enough, all of my stuff, them, it's like 10:30, you know, or if it's even that late. All of my stuff, them, I die. All of my gears, them, dying. My phone is dying. My gimbal's dying. Everything I did. Probably going on a trail or something. The sandwich. I like when over to this video, the plants over there, and I see some people and I just was gonna, you know, talk to them for a while. And going, I was like, hold on. Never put the oat meaning in the hot water. See, by the time I reach back, I run. By the time I reach back to the fire, everything I boil up, and I was like, what? Ever bought my finger? Pull it off and run and just start like make it. Luckily it never like start burn and things. Alright. Not sure if it's 100% clear, but it's clearer than it was this morning. So you can see the whole of Kingston from this view. You have a better view up some more, but this is from my campsite. The view from my campsite. Yeah. So if I can zoom in. So yeah. That's the view. And last night over this side, I don't know which building it is now, but one of them buildings there did a light up, you know, the light up building over the downtown. I think that's Mona Reservoir right there. I'm not even sure, but it should be. So yeah, that's the view. Yeah, this place had dirty me up more than anything else. Alright, so As I said before, I wanted to read you guys a very inspirational post I saw on Instagram by this beautiful lady. Her Instagram name is, I don't want to pronounce it wrong. I think it's Kamikam Cray or something like that. I'm gonna post it on the screen, so I guess you guys can, you know, look up the post and see. I'm gonna read it to you also. And when I came in on the hike last night, I was checking Instagram, and then I always follow her. She have a very bubbly spirit. Her Instagram shows how free spirited she is, very free spirited, and that's what I like. So I follow her. I like her post most of the time. I read the post and I messaged her and I said that this is very inspirational. This should be me one day. March 31st was my last day. I knew it was time to put all my energy in growing my business, but never factored in COVID-19. I don't think anyone did. For real, she said, I don't think anyone did. She said, no set income, no sugar daddy, a growing boy, him can yam. What am I gonna do? To be honest, the first 2 weeks I took a lot of deep breaths, but I think I held it together. No matter how COVID-19 cases increased and the bills came in, I felt happier, a lot more grateful, more inspired. I felt like I could take on the whole world. The last time I felt this empowered was when I was pregnant. I've tried things I've never done before in this period. My heart broke in so many pieces, but strange enough, I still felt whole. If this was not God holding me together, wiping my invisible tears, and filling me up with joy and laughter, who could it be? I found myself loving on myself more, accepting what I cannot change with ease, and just basking in pure happiness. And she continued to thank her family and friends for, you know, allowing her to be herself and her light to shine. The first word she said, March 31st was my last day. I kind of assumed that date was like the last day. She said, you know what, I'm not gonna, you know, live like this anymore. I just like working and whatever. I'm just gonna go there. I'm just gonna, you know, jump the gun. I'm just gonna sacrifice. And most of the time, if you don't invest all your time in yourself and your business, you will feel pressuring and pressuring and pressuring, and you keep thinking how far you could have been if you had started already, you know. So I think that part of the message was like, what, 5 words or whatever, or that just a date. March 31st 2020 was my last day. That just say, yo, I have to do something. There are many YouTubers and there are many persons I've seen who actually say, yo, I'm quitting my job and I'm starting to do what I love. And I think that's basically what she is referring to, or what she has started and what she has started to do. You have to go there and you have to try to be better. You have to take chances and risks to feel a passion heavy enough to say, you know what, this is my last day. I'm gonna do what I love from this point on. Okay, Islanders, it's your boy Richard, and I'm basically signing out from Holywell now. Gonna hike back down to the campsite, and I'm gonna pack up my stuff, pack up my bag and all of that, and I'm gonna head down. I'm gonna hike back down to settlement, and I'm gonna take a ride from there back into Papine, and then after that back to my house and so forth. So this is the end of the hike. It's been a fun hike. It's been very you know, I really felt like I completed a milestone. I've never done a solo hike before. I always come up and hike and camp out with my friends, other members of Islanders group, but I've never done a solo hike. This is my first time doing a solo hike by myself. Yo, this is crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna pack up camp now. I'm gonna head out. I think it's about 12 now, if it's even that late. I'm gonna pass a river. I don't think I'm gonna pass a river though. If I hike through the forest down, I'm gonna pass the river, but if I go to settlement, that's through Newcastle and down somewhere, I'm not gonna see any river, but that's fine. That's really nothing really. Just remember to follow me on Instagram. That is my personal page, which is ISLANDBOI_DM_, and my group page, which is ISLANDBOI Outdoors official. ISLANDBOI Outdoors official. You can follow them and follow the adventures that we're going on, you know. And if you want to join the family, you basically can. Link in the description. Just sign up the registration form, and then, you know, somebody from our group will contact you and add you to our group if you choose to. More people to like hang out with and so forth. So it's definitely gonna be more fun. Remember to click the bell icon so you can know when we upload a new video. To follow us, subscribe, join the family. Bless.